My name is Shauna Hondorp, and I am an area lead at DISHER Talent Solutions. I've been with DISHER Talent for 10 years. So DISHER Talent Solutions partners with organizations and helps them fill their full-time direct hire opportunities. Typically, we're partnering with small to mid-sized companies that don't have a need for a full-time recruiter, and our goal is to act on your behalf and become a true partner within your organization to help you find the right talent for the role you're looking to fill. So we partner with organizations, and our model is based on an hourly approach. So we bill by the hour, and then when we find someone through our search efforts, we have a completion fee at the end. This eliminates the need for commission, so we can truly focus on the needs of your organization and what you're looking for. And we just charge as we go. We're an on-demand service, so you can turn us on and off as it makes sense. So we work with organizations in a number of different industries, and anything from technicians all the way through to C-suite and executive level positions, typically working in industries like medical, office furniture, automation, construction, material handling and warehousing. So really the full spectrum of industries that are available. But because we came from DISHER, our specialty is always in engineering and technical talent. Every role is different in how we approach it. Typically, we see anywhere between 30 to 90 days, depending on the technicality of the position and how niche it is within the marketplace. But we always have those conversations each week with our hiring managers as to what we're seeing during the search process and if we're running into any barriers, so that we can have that collaboration with the hiring manager and address those issues as we see them coming in real time. We use a number of different ways to find top talent. For example, we have an ATS system that has over 200,000 people within it, and we always start there. From there, we utilize ZoomInfo, which gives us access to people all over the internet, as well as LinkedIn, Indeed, and a variety of other tools. We also utilize AI to help with our sourcing efforts, whether it's using Boolean search strings or actually sourcing from within those platforms. We understand that sometimes, no matter how good the interview process is, candidates just don't work in the end. So if we ever have that issue, if it's within a certain time frame, we have a make it right policy. So we're happy to restart the search for you, and we would waive the completion fee in the end. But really, again, trying to focus in maybe on doing a lessons learned, what we need to do differently in this search to help you find the right talent so that we don't have that issue again. So we start every relationship with a customer with a kickoff meeting. That is a time for us to really understand your business, your culture, what you're looking for in this position, and then also understanding from a candidate's perspective what success looks like in this position over the course of a year, so that at the end of year one, you know you've made the right hire. Then we have weekly calibration meetings with our hiring managers. Those are really a non-negotiable because that allows us to stay on track and to make sure that we are both moving in the same direction. We also have weekly reports that we provide, and it gives a full scope of what we did that week. So you can see the names of people that we're going after, and just some of the reactions that they have to the position. So we can have those conversations of if there's any issues as to why candidates aren't interested at this time. And then from there, it's submitting candidates as we talk to them that we think are worth you looking at. And then it's also just continuing the conversations once you're through the interview process, making sure that compensation expectations are aligned. We'll have pre-offer conversations with candidates to make sure that there's no surprises for them, and then also being able to provide that accurate picture of what they can expect so that the offer process goes as seamlessly as possible. So we provide talent services. So think the full scope of figuring out what you need from a hiring standpoint all the way through to offer and onboarding. And then from there, we also provide HR services. If you need some HR help, whether it's anything from just documentation help all the way through to HR consulting and figuring out strategy, we're here to help in those areas as well. So our purpose as a team is we build teams that engineer every aspect of society. And our values that go along with that are trusting relationships, sensational service, high expectations, and tenacity. And our team members embody all of these characteristics on a daily and weekly basis to help you and your organization find the talent that you need. Our team is gritty, they will do what it takes to fill their positions, and they will use a number of different ways, whether it's emailing, cold calling, texting, emails. We'll try to find the candidate that's right for your organization.